Hello everyone. So what I'm going to do right now is kind of weird, but I got the idea from looking at the blog Year of the Durian, which a friend of mine runs, Lindsay Gasick, where she just is obsessed with durian. It's always coming up with some sort of interesting thing to do with durian. I saw that she put it in a cup of coffee as a creamer substitute. So here's a cup of coffee. I put it inside a glass just so you'd be able to see if it does get creamy looking. And here's a Tupperware full of durian. And the seed is in there and everything, so maybe what I should do is actually just kind of rip off a honk of it. So I'm going to take this much right here and put that in my coffee. Yeah, you know, it actually is lightening up a little bit. I mean, durian does have quite a lot of fat in it. What I don't like about this is that it is now full of these little, this stuff. So maybe, I'm going to try it just how it is, but then I think maybe it needs to be strained. But I mean, it is actually lightening up the coffee. It's not lightening it up like milk. It looks more like if you were to put soy milk in your coffee. Well, bon appetito. Oh, that smells like durian and coffee. Definitely smells like durian and coffee. Let me try a sip of black coffee. You know what? That works. Not as well as milk, but that does work. I think I need to up the amount of durian, so I'm going to just put the whole rest of this in here. Yeah, that's what we want. We want this nice, big... Oh, yeah. This is so gross. I like durian. You know, I like durian, I like coffee, but those textures do not mix. Oh, yeah. This is... Oh, yes. Look at that! It actually looks like milky coffee now. Oh. Let me strain this out, because I feel like I'm not giving this a fair chance just because it looks gross. That does look like a cup of milky coffee. So that's impressive. So there is a savory element to this, and there is a sulfuric element to this. So there is a little bit of that oniony egg taste that durian has, but there's also a sweetness and a creaminess to that that is actually pretty impressive. I think extra sugar in it is maybe a good idea, because durian, although it is sweet, it's not as sweet as sugar that you put in your coffee, but the milkiness is surprisingly effective. Yeah. That's pretty good. I've had durian coffee in Malaysia. Not like this, where they take a chunk of durian and put it in coffee, but just coffee that has durian flavoring in it. So it would be coffee and cream and sugar, and then durian flavor. And it's okay. This has a whole different taste to it, because the durian flavor is very strong. But what that durian does is it actually does cut the bitterness the same way that milk would, or a nut milk would. Maybe not as effective as milk, but it's as effective as almond milk, or maybe actually a little bit more effective than that at cutting the bitterness and giving it that kind of creaminess to it. but the flavor of durian is very strong. Durian is like not a light flavor. So if you want a cup of coffee that just like has like a hint of like durian to it, like a little flavor shot of durian, no, this is like durian with coffee, not coffee with durian, because that durian just kind of like took over the show with this. So you gotta really like durian, I think, to want to do this. Whoa, especially with the amount that I put in it. Like, I put a lot of durian in there. But if you love durian, if you love that flavor, that sulfuric taste and the custardy taste and all of that, this is actually really effective. If you like durian. If you don't like durian, you're gonna hate this, but why would you be doing it, you know? Before I go, another shout out to Lindsay Gasick over at yearofthedurian.com. I'll put a link to her below. This is a very interesting thing to do, and I'm glad I got a chance to do it. So yeah, thanks for that, guys, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye. I want to give a special shout out to AltPod and Smarter Every Day. They are mega patrons over on patreon.com. Patreon is how this channel happens. It's how I can afford to do all the things that I do. So if you want to help me out by supporting the channel and getting some bonuses along the way, check out the description. I also have these shirts for sale. Those are in the description as well. See you next time. Bye.